How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. So the first thing you want to do is open your Snapchat app. Now once you've opened your Snapchat app, simply go to the chats and now tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen by simply tapping on your Bitmoji. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the little gear icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now it will take you to the settings page. So once you're in this page, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the option blocked. So under account actions settings, you can see the option named blocked. So simply tap on it and now it will show you the list of all of the people whom you have blocked in the past. So in order to unblock them, simply tap on the cross icon which is to the right of their name or username. Tap on it and then it will ask you whether you want to unblock this Snapchatter or not. So in order to unblock, simply tap on yes and there you have it. So that is basically how you unblock someone on Snapchat. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.